How's it going, everybody? I just got my new MAP Performance exhaust manifold in the mail today. I didn't tell you guys, but the agency power exhaust manifold that I have on the car now actually cracked like down around like in that part of the other one. I'll show you guys once I pull it out. I'm gonna do it tonight. It is dark out. I'm gonna put up a light while changing it on the car, but hopefully you guys can see. I also have a stock heat shield that I got a long time ago that I'm gonna put back on because I was running no heat shield. And it also comes with a long bolt here, that way you can put in here, and then two smaller bolts. They are Allen heads, as you can see. Allen head bolts. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna set up the camera and put this on. I did buy the manifold, the gasket, a new gasket, but I just can't wait. And if anything, it's easy to take off and just put it back on. The gasket should come the 9th. But yeah, guys, should be easy enough. Should take about maybe like 2 hours because I know there's a bunch of like different bolt sizes because I kind of, Mickey Moused the whole thing here. But I'm gonna start off by taking this bar here, loosening these 2 bolts and the 3 bolts there and there. That way, when I take off the manifold, it's a lot easier. Then I'm gonna take this off here, and then the bolts connecting the manifold to the turbo and then to the engine block itself, and then it should come out easy, and then the other one should go on way easier than this one did because this agency power exhaust manifold was a pain in the ass. Alright, guys, I finally got the old exhaust manifold out. Wasn't too hard. I did order this new gasket. However, it's cracked right there and it's coming in a couple of days, so I'm gonna have to put this one on, then take it off again to put the new one on, but I have no other choice since I decided to start now. As you can see, it was leaking from the side here. Should look like this here, where there's no like black smoke, but there's black smoke coming out of here and the side here, so there was a definite huge leak. I don't know for how long. This is the old one here. As you see inside, it's even starting to chip a little bit, as you can see there. Just wasn't doing it right. I'll bring it inside to show you guys more about it, but I'm gonna just keep it for memories. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, guys, now I'm gonna get the new one in and finish up tomorrow morning. Alright, guys, quick update. I finally got it set in place. Took off part of this upper intercooler pipe in here to allow space to get to these bolts here. Fitment was great. The only problem I ran into was getting this bolt in here, this one that you see there. I had to use an angle grinder to grind off some of the cast aluminum here, or the cast steel, cast aluminum, I can't remember. Had to grind it off there because it would not allow me. It comes with like a little groove in there so you can put it in, but it just wasn't enough space, so I had to use the angle grinder, grind it off to get it in there. I don't know if the camera can pick up where I grinded it off, but that is that. It is in. I just gotta like tighten up everything. All the bolts are in, every single bolt in here. Got the stock heat shield back in here. Gotta change this out. Hate the way that looks. And the downpipe should be arriving today. So, oh, here. Now that we got some light, I can finally show you guys. So as you can see, it was starting to crack. Hopefully, pick it up. Starting to crack in there and in here. As you can see, in the welds on this, when they weren't perfect, you can see that like my biggest concern was in here and like right over here. There's just like a ton of, just looks like it was leaking from everywhere, to be honest. Oh, and I just saw a huge hole. Well, the crack here that you see right there is actually leading out to the outside. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera, but So yeah, this thing, agency power exhaust manifold, never get it for the Evo. It's complete trash. On the forums, I saw one guy say he ran it for 2 years and it was fine. I don't know, mine just garbage. Don't do the. I think this cost me like $500 to $600, and the MAP one was $500. So I mean, it's the same price in MAP. You get way better quality. Although it is on the MAP Performance website, the agency power exhaust. But stay clear from that. This one is way better. Kind of gives it like a stock look. I do want to put the stock heat shield back on, because I'm going for that like sleeper look, you know. That's my goal here. And yeah, guys, so if the downpipe comes today, I will include that in this video. Guys, wasn't too hard. It did become a little bit difficult, but yeah, guys, it's in. I'm happy. The car sounds a lot better than it did before. That smoke is just from the water that fell because it rained yesterday. But yeah, guys, I can't wait to put that downpipe and see how it sounds with that. I just got the downpipe in about 30 minutes ago. Here it is. It's from Depot Racing. This thing is huge. Like my whole hand, I can fist this thing easily. Like two of my hands can fit in it. It's just huge. The welds on this thing are super nice. Look at that. Look how clean those are. No, just all the way around, clean. Very, very clean welds, even where the O2 sensors go. Very clean. And it even has the mounts for the stock heat shield here, and I can't wait to put this on. It cost me about, I think it was like $200, so not bad at all. Can't beat that price for a huge downpipe. I can't wait to put it on, see how the car sounds. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for next video. That's what we're going to be doing.